Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you the difference between Obsidian versus UpNote. So basically, Obsidian is a powerful knowledge management app that focuses on local storage, Markdown support, and rich customization through plugins. It's designed for users who want to create a personal knowledge base or system of interconnected nodes. Some features of Obsidian are local file storage, notes are saved in Markdown format, full control over where files are stored, can be on your device or any cloud storage service you prefer. Advanced Markdown editor with support for links, images, embedded files, LaTeX math, rendering, and more. Visual representation of how nodes are linked together, showing connections between them in a graph-like structure. Highly customizable through plugins and themes, wide variety of community-developed plugins, example task management, calendar, Kanban boards, backlinks, etc. It has options to install custom themes and tweak the interface. View all backlinks and see how nodes are interconnected with each other. Organize nodes using tags and folders for easier navigation and organization. Full text search with filtering and search operators to find information across your entire vault. Numerous plugins available for additional features such as daily notes, calendar, task management, etc. It's available on Windows, Mac, and Android via third-party apps or syncing. Obsidian syncs nodes across devices with end-to-end encryption. Syncing works between any platform, mobile, desktop, etc. with continuous updates. Obsidian publish your nodes to a public or private website. It's full offline functionality with no need for an internet connection. Some details of pricing plan of Obsidian is in free plan, its core features local storage, markdown editing, backlinks, graph views, tags, and folders. Cross-platform support with syncing via third-party services. Obsidian Sync $8 per month or $96 per year. It sync across devices and encrypted cloud storage for nodes. While Obsidian publish $16 per month and $192 per year. It published nodes to a personal website with custom domain options and one-time payment of $25 for Catalyst license. It's access to early access releases, insider updates, and community perks. While UpNote is a note-taking app designed for users who value simplicity, aesthetics, and intuitive interface. It focuses on a clean writing experience with strong support for syncing and cross-device use. Some features of UpNote is cloud storage with automatic syncing between devices. All notes are stored securely in the cloud, making it easy to access from any platform. Its support for rich text formatting, bold, italics, headings, bullet points, etc. It has the ability to embed images, tables, and checklists. UpNote has basic Markdown support but not as advanced as Obsidian's. You can use Markdown for formatting, links, and some embedding, example images and files. UpNote has dark mode and a selection of built-in themes for customization and clean and distraction-free design with smooth animations. It organizes notes into folders and use tags for better management and retrieval. Group-related notes together for easy access, add tags to notes for better categorization and searching. It's available on iOS, Mac, Windows, and Android. It syncs automatically across all devices. It has ability to access and edit notes offline with changes synced with an internet connection is restored. Share notes with others using a simple link, read-only access, built-in web clipping tool to save articles and web pages directly to your notes. For security and privacy, end-to-end encryption for data privacy, full text search capabilities across all nodes and tags. Detail of pricing plan of UpNote is free plan has limited to 3 devices, 50 nodes, basic note-taking features, and limited syncing. Premium plan is of $2.99 per month or $29.99 per year. It has unlimited nodes, unlimited devices, advanced syncing, offline support, and enhanced features. And also has priority support and advanced note formatting options. Which one is best for you? Obsidian is best for users who need powerful features, deep customization, and local storage. It's perfect for knowledge management, academic research, or project planning. While UpNote is ideal for users who prefer distraction-free environment for note-taking with a focus on simplicity and easy syncing. It's great for users who want a smooth, user-friendly experience with minimal setup. So basically this is the difference between Obsidian and UpNote. If you found this video helpful, then leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.